I'm here in Quebec's Forensic Science and Legal Medicine Lab. It's the only lab in the province that is using cutting-edge genetic genealogy to help police solve cold cases. It's a technology that's been helping the police to solve decades-old murders across North America, and we're getting a rare glimpse of how it all works. Behind these doors, scientists analyze thousands of DNA samples every year, from homicides to unidentified remains.
They do examine all the pieces of evidence. It can be clothing, knives, sexual assault kits, whatever.
But to protect the evidence, we can't actually step inside the labs.
Because of DNA contamination, we don't want your DNA to go into a case file.
The lab began using genetic genealogy in 2023. The process doesn't identify a suspect directly. Instead, it helps investigators trace possible relatives and narrow down family trees. They upload an unknown DNA profile to genealogy databases and look for distant relatives who could point investigators to a suspect.
The work in genealogy would be having a match of a third or a fourth generation. The genealogist would rebuild the trees and go down to the trees, the common ancestors, so we can identify a family or a person that can be the potential DNA, unknown DNA that we have in the case.
It's just one part of the lab's massive workload.
We do receive 10,000 cases a year, which is about 40 to 50,000 pieces of evidence that are examined by our team for sampling DNA, but biological substances that could lead to a DNA profile. The genetic genealogy or other new tools are only used in some specific cases, very high-profile cases, murder, cold cases, sexual assault, manslaughter, homicide.
And the challenge here is that Quebec has fewer convicted offenders in the National Data Bank compared to other provinces. That means fewer chances to match unknown DNA profiles and solve crimes.
And I'm working with the ministry to increase, and with the justice system, to increase the number of convicted offenders from Quebec.
And while the lab is helping solve long-standing mysteries,
we would like to use those technologies in contemporary cases because we don't want them to become cold cases.